Lisa Bennett, Stock Market U. I am going to show you really briefly how we learn to analyze stocks in the Stock Market U program. So I am sharing out a presentation, and I'm going to do it from the beginning, but this is going to be quick. Okay, we're going to go over the magic 10 questions for 3 different companies who make coffee in America. These are the 10 questions that we go over in the Stock Market U program. We are comparing Starbucks, and here we are looking at earnings per share of $3.31. And we were trying to compare with Dunkin' Donuts and discovered it is not publicly held, so we cannot do a valid comparison of Dunkin' Donuts. So we went to McDonald's, another great coffee provider in the United States. They have diluted earnings per share of $11.39. So now in the news, it talks about Starbucks facing boycotts. This was in 2023. In 2024, they announced a new CEO, which could change their strategy. So comparing gross profits and revenues, comparing the price to earnings ratio. Starbucks is highly leveraged. We discovered that the side-by-side comparison with Dunkin' Donuts couldn't be done. Starbucks and McDonald's, although you can see them as competitors, have very different customers and different operating models. So McDonald's has always been the franchise play. Starbucks locations are corporate owned. Who are the true competitors for Starbucks? Other local coffee shops, and those are not publicly traded either. So it is fair to compare these two. This is the closest 2 comparisons we have. So that's just an example of how we would go through, and you would look at, with the top 10 questions, the magic 10 that we learn in Stock Market U, how to compare 2 companies side by side and decide if that gives you good value for your dollar. Lisa Bennett, Workforce Millionaire, teaching you to rock your world of money.